In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the essential oil sampling system. I'll briefly cover why sampling works, what our system provides you with, and how it works with you to grow your business. This system works best with folks who are looking to promote their business in a heart-centered and duplicatable way. I specifically set it up that way. When people recognize that you genuinely care about them and are not just trying to sell them something, they'll be more receptive to the products and the information being provided to them. This is an ideal situation where everyone wins and is an excellent way to create long-lasting, positive relationships as well as a stable and profitable business. Hi everyone, my name is Marc Ebinger and I'm the founder of the Essential Oil Sampling System. I've been using essential oils since 2012 and my wife has been sharing Young Living products with folks since 2015. I've been to several Young Living farms and have worked at the Northern Lights farm in Canada with Corey Howden and his amazing team. That was one of the best experiences of my life. I founded the Essential Oil Sampling System out of a desire to systemize a heart-centered method of sharing what would work for everyone, everywhere, no matter if you were new to essential oils or have been using them for years and just wanted an effective way to share them with other folks. There are books, videos, seminars, and lots of other information out there that can teach you important things about self-development, sales verbiage to use, scripts to follow, and so on, but I never found a system of sharing that I personally connected with. And because I work around so many cross-line team members, I see a lot of other distributors are struggling in that area as well. In today's world, we live in a very shelter-in-place kind of world where isolation is becoming more and more common. And we know it's not ideal, and hopefully it will change soon, but for now, it's something that we have to deal with. And even when personal gatherings get back to normal, it's also important to recognize that social media and virtual events are here to stay, and they're an excellent way to do business. And we all know that sampling works because it provides customers with the best type of purchasing experience. When customers are given the opportunity to sample essential oils in conjunction with some basic helpful information, they can feel more safe and at ease with taking the leap into the world of essential oils. Sampling also facilitates the buying decision. It's common for consumers to weigh the pros and cons before buying a new product, especially when venturing into a new product category idea such as essential oils. Sampling is also a great way to really show people that you care about them. They will naturally appreciate the effort you are taking and will feel valued. And that sense of value that they feel will naturally lead them to choose you as the person they ultimately want to buy from. So that leads me to this new system of sharing essential oils. What we've done here is to combine in-person essential oil experiences with high-tech methods of communication. Now, this by itself isn't new, but the carefully crafted system around this is new. Our system helps ensure that you don't waste time and money sharing with people who really aren't interested in what you have to offer. It's extremely important to properly vet your products and initiate good dialogue with them that helps you discover what it is that they need and how your products can help them. The Essential Oil Sampling System is a comprehensive program that gives step-by-step guidelines on how to conduct a sampling event from the time you begin marketing the event to getting people enrolled and even what comes after. Our system includes a complete administrative setup of the Facebook group where your events will take place. Now, this is extremely helpful so you can get up and going quickly without having to learn all the ins and outs of Facebooking. Even if you are savvy at Facebook, people on your team may not be. We make it possible for you and your team to get up and going quickly, and everyone can focus on what matters most, and that's getting people to the events. Our administrative setup includes educational resources called units that your attendees will be able to learn from on their own in the group. These units include essential oil FAQs, information on essential oil quality, farming, and the income opportunity. And as much as if you were at an essential oil event in a major city, We even have a t-shirt shop where folks can pick up some cool merchandise to share their excitement. We have an event prep checklist and an event attendee checklist to help keep everything organized so you'll know where you stand with each of your attendees before, during, and after the event. We have script outlines to help guide you through the video presentations that you'll be doing, and we have video training with some awesome tips to really help you structure your videos to maximize your chance of success. We also have weekly coaching where you can get your questions answered. Now, this is one of the most powerful tools in this program, the ability to reach out and get help so you can continue to move your business forward. You'll also have a complete list of all the sampling supplies that you need at the click of a mouse. You'll also get access to additional training and marketing materials that will help take your business to the next level. This is an amazing opportunity for anyone interested in sharing Young Living products. It doesn't matter what team you're on, or if you're not on a team at all, we can still help you get up and running very quickly and effectively. The cost of this program is extremely low right now, so I urge you to grab it while the introductory price is still in effect. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook and I'll do the best I can to get them answered. That's going to be it for this video. I look forward to getting to know you inside the Essential Oil Sampling Group and running alongside you as you grow your business. So have a great week, and I'll see you on the next video.